Number 5 says, find the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence with the first term being equal to -2 and the common difference being 3. So my first term is -2. Then I want to add 3, and that gets me 1. And then add 3, and that gets me 4. Add 3, that gets me 7, and add 3, that gets me 10. So I'm adding 3 each time. And these would be my first 5 terms. Number 6 says, given the arithmetic sequence an with a1 equal to 2 and d equal to 3, find a16. So our first term is 2 and our common difference is 3. And you might think that just means we need to add 3 16 times to 2 to get our 16th term. And that's close, but we actually only need to add 3 15 times to 2. So add 3 15 times to 2. And if you look back up at the previous problem, it kind of shows this. So 10 is our 5th term. That would be like a5. And to get that, we had to add 3 4 times to the original. So you don't add it 5 times, you only add it 1 less. So a16 on number 6 is going to be 2, our initial term, plus 15 times 3. So it's always 1 less. And this gets you 47.